when you learn something and you understand it, right, and it's in your brain, your brain never goes back to its original size, which means that when you learn something and you understand it, you become smarter. What we're doing is I'm taking information and I'm putting it in your brain. Okay? Just like when you install software into your computer, whether you use it or not, it's there, correct or not? What we're going to talk about today is we're going to share information, techniques, skills, and strategies with you on how you can get attention when you're sitting in front of someone trying, in an interview, trying to get a job, or trying to get a promotion,